is Christine Arteta. I'm the mother of Bien Arteta. She's 4 years old, and she's my inspiration on my business. And we also have a photography business. My husband, Michael Arteta, is the one who is my partner in that business. This is my husband, Michael Arteta. He's our main photographer sa business. I'm making petty skirts. That's my business. I want a petty skirt for my daughter. But hindi ako makahanap ng petty skirt here in the Philippines. And sa ibang bansa, it's very expensive. So, parang hindi practical kung bibili ako ng $80 na petty skirt plus $100 shipping. So, what I did is I researched on how to make a petty skirt. And then I tried making one for my daughter. Okay, say hi.
Hi.
My name is?
My name is Bien Arteta.
And
I am 4 years old.
Okay, this is my daughter, Bien. She is my inspiration sa paggawa ng mga petty skirt. And up here, so you can show them your yellow petty skirt. Pose like a Barbie. Like this naman, like this. And aside from the petty skirt business, we also have photography business. And partner kami ng husband ko doon, si Mike. He is the main photographer. And I help him. Sometimes I assist him in the photography. And I also manage the business. Tagahanap ng clients, taga-present ng prices, marketing, ganun. Taga-sagot sa mga inquiries.
Here's a sample for work. See?
Yeah.
We specialize in kids photography. We started out by sa baby namin na nag-start lang muna ng simple photoshoot lang, kami, family. Eventually, we show it to our other friends, nagustuhan, and then they told us na, why don't you do it with my kids, the other kids? So doon na nag-start. We can do a photoshoot, tapos kasama pa namin yung baby namin. So it's a really work and a bonding experience as well.
And that's good na I'm working together with my husband. It's a partnership. It builds a stronger relationship. And also, we learn more about each other as we work, not just at home. As a mom, syempre, meron tayong mga gusto para sa anak natin, para sa pamilya natin. So, sana, in the future, I have a very successful daughter. It's nice kung sa school, meron siya mga achievements. And that will really make me happy. Kahit maliit na achievement lang, top 20, okay na yon. And siguro, yung mga, pag sumasali siya sa mga contest, siguro mas masaya ka na as a mom, di ba? Para pag nakikita mo yung mga anak mo, ay, they're doing well on stage. Kahit matalo, pero they're very confident that they can show their talents and skills. That's what I want for my daughter. Lessons I learned when I became a mom. Kapag mommy kasi, iba eh. Iba pag mommy. So, dati yung mga nabibili ko for myself, hindi ko na nabibili. Mas, pag napupunta ako sa mall, doon ako sa children's section, I buy for my kids. For my daughter pala, I buy for my daughter. And, for my husband, ganyan din. Pag nag-asawa ka na, hindi mo na iisipin masyado yung sarili mo kasi dalawa na isipin mo, yung anak mo, yung asawa mo. And I chose to stop working para lang maalagaan ko yung pamilya ko. And that's a hard decision for me. Kaya ngayon, it's hard kasi you have to help yung husband mo at saka ikaw kailangan magtutulungan kayo. Paano kayo magtutulungan na, lalo na sa financial, if you're just at home and your husband is the only one working. So, that's why naisipan kong mag-put up ng mga business na ganyan. Para we help each other sa financing ng family. Sa pagbabayad ng mga tuition, ganyan, mahal magpaaral. And also, to buy what we want. And also, I stayed at home. I chose to stay at home kasi mas gusto ko yung natututukan ko yung anak ko. Gusto ko yung napafollow ko yung development niya. Tapos gusto ko nandun ako lagi para sa kanya. So it's very rewarding. Maging mom, very fulfilling. Talagang I'm very happy. Kasi blessing na meron akong anak at asawa. That's always here with me. And I'm always there for them when they need me. Maganda yung nandito ka sa bahay, you stay at home for them. Tapos napagsisilbihan mo yung asawa mo at yung anak mo, naalagaan mo mabuti. And that's kahit wala akong work, okay lang, I'm very happy, I'm very fulfilled. Meron naman business dyan, talagang kailangan maparaan ka lang para you know or you help also with, you help your husband na itaguyod ang pamilya. Kasi tulungan yan husband and wife, diba? You help each other. And you help each other in raising your